You're probably scrolling through LinkedIn right now, wondering why finding the perfect job feels like searching for a needle in a haystack.
Well, I've been tracking Sam Altman's moves for the past year, and what I discovered about OpenAI's secret weapon against LinkedIn is about to blow your mind. Here's the thing. This isn't just another job site. What OpenAI is building will literally change how every single American professional finds work, and most people have no idea it's coming. Welcome back to BitBiased.ai, where we do the research so you don't have to. So in this video, I'm going to reveal exactly what Sam Altman announced about OpenAI's AI-powered jobs platform, show you the mind-blowing features that could make LinkedIn obsolete, and help you understand how to position yourself to win in this new AI-driven job market. By the end, you'll know exactly why 10 million Americans are about to get AI certified through this platform, and more importantly, how you can get ahead of this massive shift before everyone else catches on. Let's start with what OpenAI officially announced, because the details are absolutely wild. The Bombshell Announcement, picture this. It's September 2025, and Sam Altman just dropped a nuclear bomb on LinkedIn's entire business model. And here's where it gets really interesting. Microsoft, which owns LinkedIn and is OpenAI's biggest investor, is basically funding its own competition. Talk about awkward family dinners, right? But wait until you hear what this platform actually does. OpenAI's new jobs platform isn't just matching keywords on resumes like, "It's still 2010. No, this thing uses advanced AI to understand what you can actually do, not just what you say you can do. Simo, OpenAI's new chief applications officer, put it perfectly when she said the platform will connect businesses with their perfect matches, and she means it literally. Think about this for a second. Imagine you're a school teacher who learned Python over the summer just for fun. On LinkedIn, you'd still show up as teacher in searches. But OpenAI's platform? It instantly recognizes you could design AI curriculum, build educational apps, or even transition into edtech. The AI sees potential that traditional platforms completely miss. And here's the kicker. This isn't some Silicon Valley exclusive thing. OpenAI specifically said they're targeting small businesses and local governments. The Texas Association of Business is already planning to connect thousands of Texas employers through this platform. So whether you're in Austin or rural Alabama, this platform is coming for your local job market. But the real power move? Sam Altman announced this at a White House tech dinner, positioning it as part of a national AI literacy initiative. They're not just building a job site, they're building an entire ecosystem where learning AI skills directly connects you to employment. It's genius, really. And slightly terrifying if you're LinkedIn. The features that will blow your mind. Okay? So now let's talk about what this platform could actually look like, because this is where things get absolutely insane. Remember how ChatGPT completely changed how we interact with AI? Well, imagine that same magic applied to job hunting. First up, and this is confirmed, your ChatGPT account becomes your job hunting headquarters. OpenAI's already building certifications directly into ChatGPT's study mode. So picture this. You're learning prompt engineering in ChatGPT. You pass a test right there in the chat, and boom. That certification instantly appears on your jobs platform profile. No uploading PDFs, no manual updates. It's seamless. But here's where my research uncovered something fascinating that most people are missing. OpenAI isn't just matching skills. They're likely building AI agents that will literally apply to jobs for you. Imagine telling ChatGPT, "Find me remote marketing roles that pay over $80,000 and value creativity over experience." Your AI agent then scours the platform, customizes applications, and maybe even handles initial screening interviews. While you sleep, your AI assistant is job hunting. And the assessment piece? This is brilliant. Instead of those ridiculous personality tests that companies love, you'd get real-time, AI-generated challenges relevant to the actual job. Applying for a data analyst position. ChatGPT might give you a real data set and ask you to find insights. Marketing role. Here's a product. Create a campaign strategy in 15 minutes. It's testing what you can actually do, not what you memorized for an interview. Now, think about this from a company's perspective. They could literally have a conversation with an AI recruiter. I need someone who understands both blockchain and healthcare regulations, speaks Spanish, and can work East Coast hours. The AI doesn't just search keywords, it understands context, infers related skills, and might even identify candidates who don't perfectly match but have the potential to excel. The visual interface itself will probably blow traditional job boards out of the water. Forget filling out forms. You'd just chat with the platform. Hey, I'm feeling stuck in my career. What should I do? And it analyzes your entire work history, current market trends, your interests from your ChatGPT conversations, and creates a personalized career roadmap. It's like having a career counselor, job recruiter, and life coach all rolled into one AI. But wait until you see how Sam Altman plans to actually pull this off. Altman's master strategy. This is where Sam Altman's genius really shows, and honestly, it's a masterclass in platform warfare. See, most people think you need years to build a competitor to LinkedIn. But Altman? He's playing 4D chess while everyone else is playing checkers. First, let's talk about the user base hack that's absolutely brilliant. ChatGPT has hundreds of millions of users right now. Hundreds of millions. And here's what's going to happen. One day you'll log into ChatGPT and there'll be a little notification. Set up your job's profile in 30 seconds. Since you already have an account, since ChatGPT already knows your interests from your conversations, your profile basically creates itself. LinkedIn took 20 years to build their network. OpenAI could have 100 million job seekers on day one. The partnership strategy is equally clever. OpenAI didn't just announce this platform and hope companies would show up. No, they preloaded the entire system. Walmart, John Deere, BCG, Accenture, these companies are already committed to training their workers on OpenAI tools. And guess where those newly trained workers will look for their next opportunity? That's right, the same platform where they got certified. But here's the really scary part for LinkedIn, the pricing model. You know how LinkedIn Premium costs like $60 a month? OpenAI will probably make the basic platform completely free, just like ChatGPT. Maybe they'll charge for premium features, but the core matching and application process? Free. And when you're a company choosing between LinkedIn's expensive recruiter licenses and OpenAI's AI that works 24/7 for a fraction of the cost, that's not really a choice, is it? The speed of execution is what really sets Altman apart, though. After ChatGPT exploded, he didn't wait around. Voice mode, custom GPTs, Canvas, boom, boom, boom. Features just kept coming. The jobs platform will be the same. Version 1 launches, and before competitors can even respond, version 2 adds video interviews. Version 3 introduces AI negotiation assistance. Version 4 creates entire virtual job fairs. By the time LinkedIn figures out how to compete, OpenAI's 3 generations ahead. And here's something nobody's talking about. OpenAI might use this platform as a Trojan horse for their larger ambitions. Today it's jobs. Tomorrow it could be the foundation for their social network, their browser, their entire suite of productivity tools. Imagine if your job profile seamlessly connected to your AI-powered work tools, your professional network, your continuous learning platform. LinkedIn becomes just a tiny piece of a much bigger puzzle. The timeline Altman's working with is aggressive too. Mid-2026 for launch means they're building this right now as we speak. The infrastructure, the AI models, the partnerships, it's all happening behind the scenes. And with Microsoft's billions in funding, plus their new custom chip deals with NVIDIA and AMD, they have the computational firepower to make this work at massive scale. What this means for you. All right, now let's get real about what this actually means for your career, because this is where things get both exciting and kind of scary. And I'm not going to sugarcoat this. The implications are massive. Let's start with the good news, because there's a lot of it. If you're someone who's been overlooked by traditional recruiting, this could be your golden ticket. Maybe you're that retail manager who taught yourself data analysis through YouTube videos. LinkedIn's algorithm would never surface you for a data analyst role, but OpenAI's AI understands transferable skills. It sees that managing inventory is basically data analysis, that customer service is user experience, that scheduling staff is resource optimization. Suddenly, career transitions that seemed impossible become obvious. The platform's focus on AI skills is huge too. OpenAI is promising to certify 10 million Americans by 2030. That's not just a number. That's a fundamental shift in the workforce. And here's what's clever. These aren't traditional certifications that take months and cost thousands. You could literally wake up tomorrow, spend 2 hours in ChatGPT study mode, pass an assessment, and have a certification that employers actually value. For people who can't afford traditional education, this is revolutionary. Small businesses are about to get superpowers too. Imagine you run a local bakery and you want to modernize with AI. Previously, you'd never find the right person. Tech talent doesn't usually look at small business job boards. But now, the AI platform could match you with a part-time consultant who loves baking, understands small business, and knows AI. It's creating connections that simply weren't possible before. But, and this is a big but, there are some serious concerns we need to talk about. The elephant in the room is bias. If this AI is trained on historical hiring data, it might perpetuate existing problems. What if the AI learns that certain companies prefer certain types of backgrounds? What if it starts screening out qualified candidates based on patterns it thinks it sees? OpenAI says they're working on this, but nobody's solved algorithmic bias yet. Privacy is another huge issue. This platform will know everything: your skills, your job history, what you search for, how you interact with opportunities. That's incredibly powerful data. What happens when that information is used to determine your employability score? What if companies start making decisions based on AI inferences about your potential rather than your actual experience? And here's the really uncomfortable truth that OpenAI's own leadership admits. AI is going to eliminate jobs. Fiji Simo literally said, jobs will look different, and everyone from shift workers to CEOs will need to adapt. Industry experts think 50% of entry-level white-collar jobs could be automated by 2030. So yes, this platform might help you find a job, but it's also part of the system that's fundamentally changing what jobs even exist. The competition with LinkedIn creates its own challenges too. You might end up needing profiles on both platforms. LinkedIn for traditional networking, OpenAI for AI forward opportunities. That's double the maintenance, double the time investment. And what happens if they start requiring exclusive agreements? What if you have to choose? But here's my biggest concern, and nobody's really talking about this: the algorithmic gatekeeper problem. When AI decides who gets opportunities, human judgment goes out the window. Those intangible qualities, grit, creativity, potential, how does an AI measure those? We might create a world where getting hired depends entirely on gaming the AI system, rather than being genuinely good at your job. So what should you actually do about all this? First, start building your AI skills now. Not next year, not when the platform launches, now. Get on ChatGPT, take those courses, get comfortable with AI tools. Second, document your AI projects. Every automation you create, every AI tool you master, document it. When this platform launches, you want to be ready with concrete examples. Third, don't abandon LinkedIn yet, but start thinking beyond it. Build your own personal brand, create your own portfolio website, own your professional presence outside of any single platform. Conclusion. Look, whether we like it or not, Sam Altman just fired the starting gun on the next evolution of how humans find work. This isn't just another job board. It's a fundamental reimagining of how skills, opportunities, and people connect. And the craziest part? This is probably just the beginning. The OpenAI Jobs platform represents something bigger than just competing with LinkedIn. It's about creating an entire ecosystem where AI doesn't just help you find a job. It helps you build a career, learn new skills, and adapt to a rapidly changing economy. The platform that launches in mid-2026 will probably look primitive compared to what it becomes by 2030. For American professionals, the message is crystal clear. AI fluency isn't optional anymore. It's not a nice-to-have skill for tech workers. It's becoming as fundamental as knowing how to use email. Those who embrace this shift, who learn to work with AI rather than against it, will thrive. Those who resist, well, they risk being left behind. But here's what really gets me excited: the democratization potential. A kid in rural Kentucky getting the same AI certifications as someone in Silicon Valley. A single mom being matched to flexible work that actually uses her skills. Small businesses finding talent they never could have accessed before. If OpenAI gets this right, it could be genuinely transformative. Will it kill LinkedIn? Probably not overnight, but it will force massive innovation, create new opportunities, and fundamentally change our expectations of what a jobs platform should do. The real winner, that's you, if you're prepared. So here's my challenge to you. Don't wait for this platform to launch. Start your AI journey today. Build those skills, create those projects, position yourself for this new world. Because when Sam Altman flips the switch on this platform, you want to be ready to hit the ground running. Drop a comment below. What AI skill are you going to learn first? And if this video opened your eyes to what's coming, share it with someone who needs to hear this message. The future of work is changing, and we're all in this transformation together. Remember, in the AI age, the most dangerous phrase isn't "I don't know." It's "I'll learn that later." Later is now. The future is here. And Sam Altman just showed us exactly what it looks like.